Hi, I'm Caroline with the League of Women Voters of Texas. On November 4th, there will be an election covering several proposed changes to the Texas Constitution. Two constitutional amendments on the ballot address homestead exemptions. A homestead exemption is the amount of the appraised value of a primary residence that is not subject to local school district taxes. Property taxes are typically calculated using the appraised value minus the exemption amount, which lowers a homeowner's tax bill. Proposition 13 would increase the regular homestead exemption from $100,000 to $140,000. The state would reimburse school districts for the revenue lost due to this higher exemption. Proposition 11 would increase the additional exemption for people age 65 or older or with disabilities from $10,000 to $60,000. This amount is on top of the regular exemption and would also be reimbursed to school districts by the state. Supporters say these changes would reduce property taxes, helping homeowners, especially those with fixed or limited incomes, stay in their homes. They point out that higher exemptions can protect homeowners from rising property values that increase tax bills, even when tax rates stay the same. More than 2 million Texans could see tax relief if these measures pass. In addition, the legislature has allocated $8.5 billion to help fund schools and reduce reliance on property taxes. Opponents warn that shifting school funding away from property taxes could result in higher sales taxes, higher business taxes, or underfunding of public schools, especially during an economic downturn. They note that property tax cuts do not help renters, who are also facing rising housing costs. Some also argue that not all seniors or people with disabilities have low incomes, and that property tax relief should be based on the ability to pay. These amendments would change the way property taxes are calculated for homeowners, with particular benefits for older adults and those with disabilities. Whether you support or oppose these measures, be sure to review your ballot, make your voice heard on Election Day, and visit vote411.org for more information.